Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fake your GPS location on iPhone using this crazy app called the Fake GPS. So you can see right here, this is an incredible app. I'm going to open it up, and as you can see, it says, where do you want to go? Enter the exact address or pick the server. So you can do any of these locations, guys. This is an amazing application, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this on your device. It's super cool. You can see right here, we can basically have any location. So I'm going to delete this just so I can show you how to download it from the very beginning. Now, if you want to download this, what you have to do is open up the settings app, and there's a few settings that we have to go ahead and change. So the first thing we have to do is go down to the general section. So guys, go to where it says general. And in the general section, there is an option that we have to make sure is on. The option I'm talking about is called background app refresh. And we have to make sure that this is on because otherwise we'll not be able to download the fake GPS app. So as you can see right here, background app refresh works. It allows apps to refresh their content. You can have it on either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data. It doesn't matter. Just make sure it is on and you are going to be good to go. Now, once you've done that, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and go down to where it says battery. This is an important section that we have to look into. Now, once you're in the battery section, you have to make sure that this option called low power mode is off. You'll know this is on because your battery percentage will turn yellow. So make sure low power mode is switched off. And once you've done that, all you have to do is go down to this final setting where it says App Store. So go to where it says App Store, guys, and once you're in there, you need to make sure that automatic downloads is on. Now, this should be on by default, but if it is off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. Now, once you've done that, you are really all good to go. There's no other settings that you have to configure. So all you have to do is go ahead and go to this amazing website that I'm about to show you. It allows you to download this on your device. So the website I'm talking about is called IPAzilla.com. So IPAzilla.com has a bunch of different modded apps and games, as well as different sections, including games, emulators, tweaks, and utilities. So what I recommend doing is going to the search bar and searching up the particular app you're interested in, which for us would be the fake GPS. But if you want, you can also scroll around the website until you find it. I mean, the search bar is a lot quicker though. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right here. So let me just type it in. And as you can see, it comes right up, fake GPS. Now, in order to actually download this onto your device, what you have to do is press the blue button that says install, and it will download. So let me just do that right here. And as you can see, it says signing fake GPS IPA. Now, if you don't know, an IPA is the file extension for any app on iPhone. So you want to make sure that you're on an iPhone. It's also going to say installing right there, so you know it's working. Make sure that the progress bar is at the end. Don't do anything like get out of the website, because after this reaches the end, it is going to have more instructions. So once it's at the end, guys, it's going to load this circle. It's going to start going around and around. And once this is done, it's going to ask you to install a profile. So you can see right here, the website is trying to download a profile. So what you want to do is press the button that says allow, and then it will say profile downloaded. Now press close and go back into the settings app in order to download the profile. So once you're in settings, you should see a thing at the top that says profile downloaded. And what you have to do is go ahead and press on this. And once you do that, it's going to say install profile fake GPS. So guys, just go ahead, press install, and enter your iPhone passcode. Now, once you do that, it's going to ask you to install it again. So go ahead and do that. And then it will have an install prompt in red. This is the final one. Press that, return to your home screen, and you should now see the fake GPS app on your device. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to share with your friends. And remember, the website to download this is IPAzilla.com. This is the only website I've ever found that allows you to download the fake GPS app on your device and have any location. So you can see right here, all you have to do is go to the search bar, search it up, and press that button that says install, and it will download right onto your device. I mean, this is incredible. I can't believe it actually works. I mean, it's insane. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to share the site with your friends. Get the word out about this crazy tutorial. I can't believe it actually works. I'll be seeing you guys later, and peace out.